The Adventures of Sparky the Space Explorer. Once upon a time, in a cozy little house on Earth, lived a curious cat named Sparky. Sparky wasn't like other cats. He dreamed of exploring the stars. One starry night, Sparky noticed a shiny spaceship in his backyard. Without hesitation, he hopped inside and pressed a big, red button. Zoom! Sparky was off on a cosmic adventure. Sparky met talking aliens, danced among Saturn's rings, and even befriended a brave robot named Rusty. Together, they discovered a hidden planet made entirely of candy. But the most exciting moment was when Sparky saved a lost baby space turtle. They became best friends, and the turtle showed Sparky the way back home. With a heavy heart, Sparky returned to Earth. But he knew his heart belonged among the stars. Every night, he'd look up at the sky, knowing that his cosmic adventures were waiting for him. And so, Sparky's dreams of space exploration never faded, and he found a way to share his out-of-this-world stories with all the children of Earth, inspiring them to dream big and reach for the stars.